Let's get in. Let's dig in.
That's so squishy.
What is this?
What is this?
Oh my god.
Like that's like jelly.
Is this pudding? Like not jelly but like yogurt?
Yogurt.
What is this? I think
What's your guess?
pudding.
How about you? Okay.
Jelly. Yeah, you're correct.
Jelly.
And you answered.
You can eat like.
Hello guys, welcome to KLK Playground. Today we will do the What's Inside the Box challenge. Let's begin.
Let's begin.
Let's begin round 1. Let's put our hand in, okay?
What's this? What's this? This like
What
slime.
is this? Is this slime?
This like
Oh, I
slime.
got an answer.
Okay, KD.
Jelly.
How about okay? What's your guess?
Strawberry.
Okay, you can now.
Yeah, you're correct.
Jelly.
And you answered.
You can eat like.
Now on to the next one.
TXIKKMNLOP
QRSTUVWXYZ. Now
I know my ABC.
next time won't you sing with me? Second round. Put our hand in.
What's this? This is like
I got one. Banana.
How about okay?
cookie.
What kind of cookie is that?
Chocolate cookie. Let's
Bring it up. Ay! Now let's move on to the third round. And the score is currently 2-1. Let's 2-1. Yes. I have 2. She has 1.
like jelly.
Let's get in.
That's
Let's
just
dig
like
in.
that's so squishy.
What is this?
What is this?
Oh my god.
Like that's like jelly.
Is this pudding? Like not jelly but like yogurt?
Yogurt.
What is this? I think
Hey, what's your guess?
pudding.
How about you? Okay.
Jelly.
Okay, let's see.
Whipped cream.
What?
What?
About you?
Yeah, that's correct.
Now we're in the last and final round. The score is she has 3 and I have 2. If she gets the food wrong, then she's currently 3. But if I get mine right, it's a tie. Let's put in our hands. I don't know what it is.
It's it.
Oh my god.
It's like banana.
What is this?
What is this? This is like a
Has
banana.
leaves.
It's
Gotta guess.
banana.
Strawberry.
How about you? Okay.
Banana.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Let's bring it up.
Banana.
Oh my god. Yummy. It's a little bit sour. And the score now is 4-3. So, you know who the winner is?
Me.
Okay. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and stay connected. Bye.